Again, this is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young guys. This is video 102. Here's a several scripts, same thing as the other one. You can run it on your local host. You put it in production. You can play around with it. In this video, we have technology for like restaurant success that you might have to provide. Somebody might want, hey, I'm pretty sure because you're just new with this stuff, you probably won't have to do these kind of things. But it's good to know these things anyway, so when the time comes, you would know what to do. This cloud, I call it the cloud, point of sale system. Same idea as the last time that we saw, right? The script, same thing as the restaurant POS system. Again, point of sale, right? The initiative, you use a touch screen. You can auto manage and integrate payments, right? We talked about that. And basically register person or the person that's walking around with these little tablets. I would explain anyway in the description below. I just want to show you that it was kind of like the same thing, right? It's just different design. See, this is the actual HTML. You can make it into a PHP if you're gonna put PHP stuff, and you probably will. See mine, but this for now, this is a simple thing. And then you go to your remember the style sheet that gives you the presentation, right? It makes what's going on here? Why is this doing this? Oh, there you go. And then same idea, same thing, just give it this look, right? And in this situation, let's go to JavaScript. It's same idea, same kind of thing. And in this one, you kind of put an array with the different things like the coffee, nut, and the sandwiches. That's what this is right here, right? So if you're gonna add another thing, make sure you make it a 5 and add something else and whatever. And of course, you got your function that renders the product, adds the product, and render the cart system. And this one is what it does the checkout. Now, right now, in this example, this is the API that calls and replaces the actual endpoints. It might not be this, I don't know. I just figured that I just put it in anyway. So, once you check out, you get some message. All you have to do is just copy this stuff, play with it a little bit. But if you want to make it more nicer here, you can do that over here. You want to add dates, calendars, which I'm going to show you how to kind of put calendars too. I'll show you down the in a few videos. But right now, look, you have it like this, right? So I'll put it in here. Right now, it's 0. See, so I want a coffee. You see what I'm talking about? I want a donut, possibly a sandwich, and then when you check out, you get that little thing here. But basically, you'll get something else, so you can, for the credit cards and stuff like that. And then that's it. That's done. That's all it is. I'm gonna give you all this, and it's gonna be in the description below. We should call this. I forgot what we should call it, but we're gonna do that anyway. I'm gonna put it in all I have to do is copy it over and cut it out, right? It's gonna be one file, and inside you're gonna see index.html, and you got all of it. Then you're gonna see the JavaScript stuff and the CSS. So I have to do is just grab it and just give it these names that that's called right now. You can change it if you want. It's up to you. Anyway, that's all I wanted to do with this video. Okay, and put a comment there, and if you have any ideas, let me know. Give me a thumbs up because that really helps me out.